Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Oin notri coloere viri nunc fama minores Italiam dixisse ducis de nomine gentem, hic cursus fuit, tum subito ad surgens fluctu nimbossus Orion, in vada caeca tulit pentusque proacibus Austris, perque undas superante salo perquinvia saxa dispulit, uc pauci vestris ad navibus oris. Men of Oenotrius colonized it. This is referring to Italy, which was mentioned in the previous lines as Hesperia. Now, the descendants, or now there is a rumor. You have to supply est here. Now, nunc fama est. Now there is a rumor that the descendants have called the nation Italy from the name of a leader. This was the course. Remember, Ilioneus is speaking here, and he's saying, this was our course. Our course was Italy. And that's what everything up here is referring to. Italy, journey to Italy. But now we have when suddenly, so he stops talking about Italy. They were on their course. This was the course. But then, when suddenly, stormy Orion rising on a wave, carried, imply nos, tulit nos, carried us into dark shallows, and far away with violent south winds, he scattered us through the waves and through unpassable rocks, with the sea conquering. And I forgot to highlight this, but superante sallo is an ablative absolute. See, we have superante, present active participle in the ablative, and sallo, also in the ablative singular, with the salt conquering, with the sea spray conquering, with the sea conquering. From here, we few have swam towards your shores. So he's saying from this place, from that shipwreck caused by stormy Orion, we few, pauci, have swam ad navimus to your shores, meaning Carthage, and Queen Dido's shores, the shores of the Carthaginians. Okay, now up here, at first you might not know about Nimbossus Orion, but you know about the constellation Orion, and that's actually what this is referring to. Because in the summer, whenever Orion would come into view, is whenever certain storms would be happening. So often Orion was associated with storms on the sea, and hence why he mentions stormy Orion as causing the storm, carrying them away, and scattering them across the sea.